Hey, welcome. So my name is Jackie and I wanted to come on here and just talk a little bit about some things that I feel are important for you to know. So whenever you're going to go ahead and start online, my really most valuable suggestion is to go ahead and get a mentor. And once you find that mentor, listen to what they say, do what they say, and stay consistent in all that you do. You will see results, the numbers will begin to show. But just keep in mind as well, don't always just measure your profits, measure the results that you're getting and keep at it with that. And you will go ahead and see the days that you're looking for, meaning 400, $800 days. And this just opens up doors of opportunity for you. So if you're interested in getting started, go ahead and click on that link in the description, and that way you can go ahead and learn more about this great amazing system, Digital Wealth Pros. So I'll see you there.